Yo, what's up, tubers? I hope you all had a great Valentine's Day. That means the spring is almost here. In fact, from this year's Groundhog Day, the spring will be here early this year. So I thought it's a good time to talk about the spring EDC. What I have here is the P2000SK from HK. It's actually the smallest lineup from HK's semi-auto loader handgun roster. It's very nice, very smooth, very, very smooth. And it's ambidextrous with the magazine release. And the slide release. And this got a decocker right here. The double action. It's not light but smooth all the way. Single action, moderate take up. But then pretty reasonable. Let's do it again. See that? So moderate take up. But this is a little shooter that can do a lot of the damage. I take it out to the range and to the wilderness, and I actually shoot it at the 15 yard, shooting the swinging head of the hostage taker. And I actually do very well with this one. In fact, better than my G19X, which is hard to believe. But that shows you how accurate and how well made this P2000SK is. I highly recommend it. And I put it in a Descenders holster. This holster is for XD, Springfield XD, and also for P2000SK. See that? It fits very well. I got it from Optics Planet. They got a very good price. And this is definitely a IWB inside the waistband pistol. I wouldn't recommend it outside the waistband. But inside the waistband, this is very comfortable. Very, very comfortable. Now the double tap right now for this pistol, I don't shoot the double tap of this one as well as G19X. I guess some of the reason come from this grip. I mean, there's no problem with the grip. I like it for my pinky to rest down below, no problem. But I think the problem is I just need to practice more and get used to it. HK P2000SK. A very nice handgun. Now this is the most popular, probably the best-selling pocket knife of all time that you are looking at. It's from Victorinox. This is the Swiss Army knife. I think this is the SD, the regular SD. Look at how small it is. If you are wearing a trouser in an office environment, this is for you. Okay? You can put it on the keychain, but I wouldn't recommend it because if you fly, most likely you will forget to take it out. And guess what? TSA will end up taking it away from you. So I just put it in my pocket. There is a small pocket on your jean or on top of your big pocket. That's perfect for this. Or there's a inside liner on most of the trousers in the regular pocket, and you can slide this into the inside liner that is for change or for things like this. It's very comfortable. You won't notice it. It got a very sharp knife that you can open the letter. Perfect size to do that. I wouldn't use it to cut large packages. For that, you probably need a bigger knife, but for this to open letters, plenty adequate. It is very sharp, very sharp. And the other one is the nail filer. To file your nails. And it got a small screwdriver right here. See that? And on this side, it's a small scissor. I use it to trim my nails or cut the coupons. Very convenient, especially for you to trim your nails. Get rid of the dead skin. But what I love the most is this, the toothpick. I use it a lot. Just clean it, wipe it out after you use it. And this, very convenient when you need it to take out stuff. From your skin, if some small wood cut into your skin, you can use this to take it out. And the beauty of this design is so popular that it has a lot of different designs. And you shouldn't pay more than $20 to get it. And you can custom by engrave your name here if you desire to do so. I find it very, very, very neat. And this is also a perfect gift item to your son or daughters, or even your Valentine. So there you go. That is the Sprint EDC that I want to share with you guys. Both are not made in USA, but they are very well made. From Switzerland and Germany. Sometimes it's good to have some foreign stuff so you can compare it. And for us US companies to catch up to. But a lot of it is due to design, And for design work, definitely. There are a lot of other countries that do better than us. I love P2000SK. You can change a big grip, comes with two, but I prefer this one. the medium one. The original one comes with the gun. It's very nice. And it shoots very, very good. And it's pleasing to your eyes too. I think this is a good combination. Very fitting for the light clothes in the springtime. And of course, you can definitely get a different holster to suit your need. Okay. I mean, I put this inside my pants. Either jeans or trousers. Very comfortable. Very, very comfortable. I would say as comfortable as a car, single stick car, P40. P45 is a little bit longer. And PM40 is more like a pocket pistol. So this is perfect. Try it out, If you have a chance, I think you are going to love the way you carry. All right, safe shooting and safe carry. See you next time.